Dear students, welcome to maths class. That is statistics part 4. So far, we have discussed the two methods to find arithmetic mean. First method is direct method, that is x bar is equal to summation fi into xi by summation fi. And second method is that is assumed mean method, that is x bar is equal to a plus summation fi into di by summation fi. And last method, that is a step deviation method to find arithmetic mean. This is the formula is x bar is equal to a plus summation fi into ui by summation fi into h. I am repeating once again. Step deviation method to find arithmetic mean is x bar is equal to a plus summation fi into ui by summation fi into h. Where here a, we already know a is nothing but assumed mean, and ui's are nothing but step deviations. Here di's are nothing but deviations, and we are using ui's are nothing but step deviations, and we are finding ui is equal to xi minus a by h, and fi's are frequencies of respective class intervals, and h is called class size or class width. Okay, we are using this formula is called step deviation method. Okay, here today topic is to find arithmetic mean using step deviation method. Let us take a problem, that is exercise 14.1. Take problem number 6. I am reading the problem. The table below shows the daily expenditure on food of 25 households in a locality. Okay, given here the table below shows the daily expenditure on food of 25 households in a locality. Daily expenditure in rupees is given and number of households is also given. 100 to 150 rupees expenditure is daily 4 households, and 150 to 200 expenditure number of households are 5, 200 to 250 12, and 250 to 300 is 2, and 300 rupees to 350 rupees is number of households are 2. Okay, this is the given table. Then what is the question? Question is, you write the question, find a daily income, daily expenditure of a daily expenditure of of the household. When the daily expenditure of the find daily expenditure of the households on food. Okay, you have to find daily expenditure mean. Find the mean daily expenditure of the food of the households you have to find. Okay, I mentioned that when two rows are given, the two rows you have to consider in the solution as two columns. Okay, two columns, that is I am writing here class interval, that is a class interval ci, daily expenditure in rupees is a class intervals, and number of households is nothing but frequencies. I am considering two columns here. Two rows are given, you have to take in the solution two columns. Find xi. Xi is nothing but mid values of the class interval, that is 100 plus 150 by 2, that is 250 by 2, that is 251 25. Okay, similarly all the mid values of the class intervals you have to calculate, that is 125. Okay, simply guess it 150 to 200, the mid value of 150 to 200 is 175. Okay, and 200 to 250, the mid value is 225, and 250 to 300, the mid value is 275, and 300 to 350, the mid value is 325. These are all x's. Then what we have to define? Define a di is equal to, here we define di is equal to, that is xi minus a. Xi minus a, that is di is equal to xi minus f. Then what is a? A is one of middle value of one of the xi, that is you have to take for our convenience, you have to take middle value, that is 225 you have to take, that is a is assumed mean, that is 225. Then calculate dis as xi minus 225, that is 125 minus 225, what you get? Minus 100 you get. Okay, similarly 175 minus 225 minus 50, and 225 minus 225 is 0, 275 minus 225 is 50, and 325 minus 225 is 100. Observe the di values here. Here di's are, these are the multiples of class size. What is the class size? Here class size is nothing but difference of the class intervals. Difference of, that is upper limit minus lower limit, that is 150 minus 100, that is 50. Here class size, that is h. Here class size is 150 minus 100, you take 50. Okay. Any class intervals you have to take. Class size is same, that is a 50. Then you have to, these are the, these all di's are the multiples of this class intervals. Multiples of the class multiples of a class size, that is h. Then you have to define ui is equal to di by h. Di by h, that is di is nothing but xi minus e. You have to define, calculate ui is here, that is minus 100 by 50, what do you get? Minus 2 you get. Okay, and similarly minus 50 by 50 is minus 50 by 50, that is minus 1, 0 by 50 is 0, 50 by 50 is 1, and 100 by 50 is 2 you get. Okay, then calculate fi into ui. Why we are calculating fi into ui? Our formula is arithmetic mean x bar is equal to a plus summation fi into ui by summation fi, okay, into h. Therefore, according to formula, you calculate the table, you fill the table, that is fi into ui you have to calculate fi into ui. Here last column is ui and second column is fi. Fi into ui is 4 into minus 2, that is minus 8. 5 into minus 1, that is minus 5. 12 into 0 is 12, and 2 into 1 is 2. 2 into 2 is 4. Okay, then this table is closed. Then what you have to find out? You have to find out summation. You have to find out summation is summation fi into ui, that is a last column values add up. Summation fi into ui is, that is this is a 6 and these are minus 13. Okay, that is you get minus 7. Minus 13 plus 6 is minus 7. And what is summation fi? Summation of total frequency is already given. Total there are 25 households are given. Then using this formula and substituting all these values, we calculate the arithmetic mean. That is mean x bar is equal to, what is a? A is a assumed mean. We are taking assumed mean is 225. 225 plus summation fi into a is minus 7. Minus 7 by summation fi is 25. 25 and class size is 50. Calculate class size. Class size is upper limit minus lower limit. That is 50. Cancel 51s are 52s are. That is 225 minus 7 2s are 14. That is 211. Therefore, what is the required answer? The daily expenditure of the, therefore the daily expenditure of expenditure on food of a household a household is of a household is rupees 211. Okay. Similarly, all the remaining problems of exercise 14.1 you solve. Apply all these three methods. Any method you can apply. If they are directly asking direct method or assumed method, step deviation method, then that problem will be solved according to that method only. If the method is not asking, you can solve any of using this method. Okay. Thank you. Thank you.